Oh, what are you doing, Nek Uda?
Oh, I'm just cleaning the steps. There's a lot of dirt.
Oh.
The sun's out today. Hopefully the clothes will dry quicker.
Nek Uda,
Oh, my lovely boy.
is it time for lunch?
Oh, not yet, Alif. Let me finish these chores, then I'll prepare our lunch, okay?
Can I help with anything?
Thank you, Anis. I've got it under control.
Yeah.
So much to eat.
It's too
Red,
loud.
yellow, blue.